in Copenhagen, waiting for my bags. They said it was 6 degrees Celsius. I do not know what that means in Fahrenheit, but that is a very low number, so I'm predicting it is cold. It's about midnight, and I'm gonna try the metro because it's about the exact same time as an Uber. And while my bags are heavy, I don't think it should be too bad. If it's bad, I'll just call an Uber. Okay. Hopefully my last bag shows up. I have 2 out of the 3. Okay. I'm on the bus. It's supposed to be a train, but it got turned into a bus. What a day. I'm almost there though. I'm about to go into the apartment. It's like 2 in the morning. Let's go. It's day 1 in Copenhagen. I'm extremely tired, but we have 1 hour of sunlight left and I'm going to make the most of it. So I have to go get some money because as you guys saw yesterday, I can't do ish with cash in US. I need to get kroner. So I'm gonna go see what I can get with my US dollars and then we're gonna go find something to eat. I really did not want to pick up the camera today, but I'm trying to be as real as possible with you guys. Let's go. I feel like something's like drawing me down, even though I slept so much, and I think it's because I haven't really eaten like a proper full meal in like 2 days. I've been kind of eating grab and go stuff, but that's all I have. Ain't got no more. I'm gonna change. We're gonna go. Bye. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Hey. I've been to BUKA 3 times in the 1 month I've been, not 1 month, in the 1 week I've been here. It's a problem. It's a problem. Hey everybody, I've been working all day, so didn't go out and explore today, but I picked up some food to go, and I got this, I do not know how to pronounce it, but it's like Sprite. I had it at another place, and I got it again. So let's, cheers to that. Things I've been learning in Denmark, people sit outside even though it's freezing cold, and the restaurants have blankets for you. No, I'm still getting it to go. Like, are you kidding me? Anyways, here is gasoline grill. Okay, now let's talk. This burger, I put it in a plate because I'm a little bit civilized today. Cheeseburger and fries with a little chili mayo because they don't believe in ketchup in Europe. It's fine. I'm okay with it. I'll do whatever. It's fine. Now, this burger and fries was 23 American dollars for a to-go burger. I don't even think Five Guys has us that down bad. Like, I was very shocked. I mean, I had to buy it because, you know, it's what the girls do when they come to Copenhagen. But I want the record to reflect that this is a bit elevated in price for a to-go burger. Anyway, we're gonna taste test. I think it's just chili mayo. Chili mayo. Why am I saying it 30 times? I ain't gonna hold you. I already had some of these fries and they're good. So honestly, they got some good salt on it. I like that Picasso. Okay. Now for the Dundada, which is a standard cheeseburger. I got no pickle because I'm not about the life. Onion and some gasoline sauce. Let's see if it's worth 23 American dollars. Okay, hold on. I ain't gonna hold you. This is good though. Chili mayo. It's giving they're the same sauce. So the burger's good. I can't even lie to y'all. I can't even lie to y'all. It actually slapped a little bit. I heard they put like a whole stick of butter in it or something like that. Whatever they're doing in there is good. They might have given Five Guys and them a run for their money. But for that price, it's not giving every day. It's not giving every week. It's not giving every month. It's giving one time. And I think if I'm coming as a tourist, you know, one time. But if I like lived here, because I'm using this trip as a way to like see where I want to live, you know, they're not getting my money that much. No. Shout out to them. Hello. Welcome to I don't remember the day. But we are headed to go learn how to make a Danish. Let's go. First stop, the train.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Mile high, when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night. Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way, gotta make the ride.
Cover the cream with a piece of plastic film. Here during the class I don't do it, I pour it directly into my bean bag. Why? So first the film is to avoid to get a thick skin. If you don't do that after 5 minutes, because the cream is very hot, I can burn my finger if I stay too much on it. And I'm going to get now some butter.
Oh my goodness. We did amazing.
When you use water or skim milk and water, it's going to be crispy.
Okay, you guys, so I just finished the baking class. It was amazing, and I highly recommend it. I think you guys should do it for sure. Bye! There's my baking buddy, Han. So, I'm headed back home because I have so much work to do, and then I'm taking you guys somewhere else after this. So, stay tuned.